Hi, buddies. Have a good day. Today we will see another question based on function. Okay, this is very basic in function where we have to determine whether the given relations or the given graph is function or not. Okay, in this question we have a three relation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then three graph. Okay, so we have to decide whether this is function or not. Okay, so we look at the question now, how to answer it. Okay, first of all we must know that function is actually as a each element in object has only one image. When each object has only one image, then the relation is called a function. If we look at the first question, we have an object 4012. This object has 4 elements. This image, we have a 5 element. We should have an arrow here. Okay, that means the 1 is mapped to 5, 0 is mapped to 4, and so on. Okay, now 4 is mapped to 14. That means this element is mapped to one image. 0 is mapped to 4. That means 0 is mapped to one image. 1 is mapped to 5. That means 1 also mapped to one image. And then 2 is mapped to 19. Then 2 is also mapped to one image. So in this question, there are 4 elements in objects, okay, 4012, and each elements are mapped to only one image. So this is a function. So now we look at the question number 2. Second question. Also same, we have 4 elements in the object, and then we have 4 elements in the image. Okay, when you look at 2, 2 is mapped to one image. But 5 has no image. So when 5 has no image, it is automatically not a function. Okay, so in this question, we have 4 elements in object, but only 3 elements are mapped to image. 5 is not to any image, so this is not a function. Next, we go to the question 3. So the same thing, we have 4 elements in object and 4 elements in the image. Okay, look at 3. 3 is mapped to one image. 4 is mapped to one image. 5 is mapped to 5, one image. And 6 is mapped to 2 images. One is going to 5. Another one is going to 12. So when one object, element in an object mapped to more than one image, then it is declared as not a function. Okay, there are 4 elements in the object, but 6 is mapped to 2 images. So this is also not a function. Okay, this is our relations. Okay, from relations we find out to determine whether it is a function or not. Okay, next we look at the graph. Okay, in this question we are given for 3 graphs. Okay, one is looks like a quadratic graph, one is a reciprocal graph, one is looks like a cube. Okay, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, for graph, okay, to determine whether it is a function or not, we use a vertical line test. That means we draw a vertical line and then move the vertical line until the end of the graph. If the line intersect or meets 2 or more points, then it is not a function. If the line only meets 1 point, then that it is a function. Okay, look at the graph, the first graph. Okay, we move a vertical line. Okay, wherever we move this vertical line only touch at 1 point only of the graph. So the vertical line cuts the graph at one place. So this is a function. Look at the second one. Okay, we try to move the vertical line. Okay, it is touching here, touching here. So also same. This line only touches the graph at 1 point. Okay. So the vertical line cuts the graph at only one place. So this is also a function. So when you look at the number 3, graph number 3. Okay, you see here, this graph cuts the graph at 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. When the vertical line cuts the graph more than one point, then this can be declared as not a function. Okay, buddies, that's all for today. I hope you all understand how to determine a relation or a graph is a function or not. So I'll see you again in another lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.